I am here today to talk to you about learning how to quilt with rulers on your domestic machine. And we have got an amazing option for you to be able to get started with that. This is our Quilt Like a Pro kit. It comes with all of the quilt designs. Actually, there's 6 total quilt templates in it, along with a crosshair ruler and a ruler foot to get you started learning how to quilt with your rulers on your Brother sewing machine. This is something I highly recommend to be able to get you started and feel really comfortable quilting with rulers. This actually comes with a 10-hour video-based class series that takes you through making this amazing quilt that we have right here and right behind me. But what it's really doing is it's teaching you how to use all of these quilt designs independently and together. It's teaching you how to get your machine set up for quilting with rulers, and furthermore, being able to really get confident using these quilt designs to finish your projects. So this is a quilt as you go class series, which means that you're going to start with multiple pieces and be able to kind of get comfortable with smaller pieces of fabric underneath your needle area. But you can easily do this with whole cloth and be able to do it on bigger projects. And we've got some amazing tools for you to do that as well. So I highly recommend you come in, get started learning how to quilt with rulers using this amazing box and the 10-part class series that we're going to be launching here shortly in our store. So please get started with quilting with rulers, and we'll look forward to having you join us and walking you through the process of how to use those rulers and finish your projects. Thanks so much.